Then we should continue.
Yes.
Okay. Then our first spot is about the dental stone or dental plaster. Okay. You know the dental difference between the dental stone and dental plaster? Hello. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you know the difference between the dental plaster and dental stone? The dental plaster is white in color powder and dental stone is yellow color. Okay. I will show you the dental stone. This is the dental stone, which is yellow in color, and dental plaster is white in color. Okay. This one is the dental stone. Okay. This one is the dental stone. Now the question regarding that dental stone or dental plaster is, first one is the identification. First we should identify the given spot. Then write about the given question. The questions are like write the classification of the given material or the difference between the above material. The difference between that dental stone and the dental plaster. The question any one of them, like the classification, like the uses, or other is the difference between the above material. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Are you understand?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is our first spot. Dental stone or dental plaster. You should identify this. Dental plaster is white in color and dental stone is yellow in color. Okay. Then the second one is this question is about the instrument. This one is the instrument is the curved spatula. Okay, identification of this instrument is the curved spatula, and uses of this instrument is, there is only one question about instruments, that is the uses of the given instrument. So uses of this instrument is used for the alginate mixing purpose. This one is the curved spatula. Okay. Curvature is there. Now second instrument is power. Okay. The question for this related is the uses of the given instrument. Okay, the only one question is asked about that spot is the uses of this instrument. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then we should continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next material is about the impression compound. This is in the cake form. Okay. This is the impression compound. This is our next spot. Okay, then the identification of this given spot is this is the impression compound. Then the question regarding for this is that is the composition of that impression compound, uses of the impression compound, or in case the setting reaction. Any one of them is asked for your exam. Okay, write down the question about that impression compound. Identify the given material, then write its composition, its advantages, its disadvantage, or uses, or otherwise someone ask about the setting reaction. Okay. Are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then our next spot is about the alginate. Okay, this pack is given for your exam as a spotter. And this is identification of this material is the alginate. Alginate is the given spot. The question regarding that alginate is it's about the uses, it's about the setting reaction, or it's about the composition. Any one of them is asked as a question for this same spotter. And the given spot is the alginate. Alginate is the Are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the alginate. This one is the impression compound. Okay, this one is the dental stone. Okay, the white color is the dental plaster. This one is the dental stone. So you should. This one is the instrument is the curved spatula. Okay, same there is the straight spatula which is used for the mixing of our plasters. Okay, this one is the Lacrant's curve. The uses of these instruments is the question for the instrument. Impression compound. Okay. Now the next one is the zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. These are the two. There are two pastes. One is the base paste and one is the catalyst. Okay. Catalyst paste is the eugenol paste, which is red in color, and base paste is the zinc oxide, which is white in color. Okay. This one is the base paste, and this one is the catalyst paste. Catalyst is the eugenol paste, and the base paste is the zinc oxide paste. This one is the zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. Okay. The question regarding this spot is the identification of the given material. Then write its uses, or write its chemical reaction, or write its composition. Okay. Then you should write all the questions which is regarding to the spot. Shall I dictate? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक नोटबुक में आप क्वेश्चन लिख लेना, so it's easy for you. The question according to the zinc oxide eugenol impression paste is a given spot. For example, this is the given spot is the zinc oxide eugenol impression material. Then the questions are asking about that is the first one is the composition of the zinc oxide eugenol. Or second question is the uses of the zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. Second question is like that. Or another question that is the setting reaction of the zinc oxide eugenol impression. Okay. These are the three questions are asked for the same spot. Okay. For example, like this. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So 3 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे आपको. तीनों में से एक पूछा जाता है, जैसे क्या जिंक ऑक्साइड यूजिनॉल इंप्रेशन पेस्ट का है. तो तीनों में से एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. फर्स्ट रहेगा आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द गिवन मटेरियल, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक द कंपोजिशन और द यूजेस और द सेटिंग रिएक्शन. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then second thing is about alginate. This is the alginate. The given spot is alginate. In alginate, there is a two to three question. The first one is the composition of the alginate. Okay. तो आपको alginate रखा है तो first question पूछा जाएगा कि इसका composition क्या है. Then second question is about the same spot is the uses of that alginate, and the third one is the setting reaction of the alginate, or advantages and disadvantage of that the same material. This one is the impression compound. The given spot is impression compound. आपको impression compound पे 3 ही क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, तीनों में से एक आता है. जैसे कि composition of that impression compound, first then the uses of that impression compound, and two questions are enough for that impression compounds, uses or the composition. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Are you able to understand the questions and the spotters?
Yes, ma'am.
You have any problem regarding anything?
No, ma'am. No.
No?
ma'am.
No.
Then first exam criteria, आपको first internal and second internal में total 10 spots रहेंगे, 5 from the prosto department and 5 from the your conservative department. Okay, each carry 3 marks, each spot carrying 3 marks. That is the 5 into 3 is the from the prosto department. Okay,
Okay.
and in for a prelim and university exam, each spot carrying the 5 marks. Okay. There's any problem regarding to any spot? Any question? There's any confusion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Able to understand all the spots? Are you able to identify?
Yes.
Yes.
And first, second thing is that it is very important for you people is the dental plaster and dental stone. Okay, this is your first internal. You should know the difference between the dental plaster and the dental stone. Okay, are you able to understand the dental plaster and dental stone? The dental plaster is the white in color and dental stone is yellow in color. Okay, then the main question regarding to this is the this gypsum product is the classification differentiation between the dental plaster and dental stone. The most important question for you people. Okay, this one is the dental question regarding to the dental plaster or dental stone is the first important, very important question is the difference between the dental plaster and the dental stone. Okay. And second question is regarding the same is the identify the given material and write its classification. This is regarding to the same spot. First question is the differentiation between the dental plaster and dental stone. Then second important question is the classification of the set, the given spot. And last one is the uses of the same spot. Okay. But most important for your that first internal is the this dental plaster or dental stone. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Then this is the then zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. Okay, there are two types of paste. Huh? One is the eugenol paste is the accelerator paste, and zinc oxide is the best paste. The best paste is the white in color. Okay, white dot. Okay, and this one is the catalyst paste. This is the eugenol paste. This one is for your manipulation purpose also. These things are like a dental plaster, eugenol, zinc oxide eugenol impression paste, that alginate. Okay. The question regarding that is the same: composition, uses, and the setting reaction. Identification of the given material, its composition, and setting reaction. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Do
ma'am.
you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Do you have any question regarding this? Same?
No.
You able to understand all these things?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question?
Ma'am, we should write the uses of instruments also, no?
Only question for instrument is the uses. No other question for that
Okay, ma'am.
instruments. Only uses of this given instrument. And there are only 4 instruments for you people, that the Lacan's carver, core spatula, straight spatula, and zinc oxide impression mixing spatula, straight one. But for first internal, only 2 we are giving, that the carver and the core spatula. Okay. And the
Okay,
5
ma'am.
spots are the dental plaster or stone, alginate, zinc oxide eugenol impression paste or impression compound. Okay. Do you have any question?